Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Jumpjump Vpn. Now Jumpjump VPN is a free VPN service that allows users to access the internet anonymously and securely. It helps you to encrypt your internet traffic, making it difficult for others to snoop on your online activity. Let's get right into how to use it. 1. Download the app. Once you've done that, install and open the app. Then automatically connect to a server. How? Once you download the app and you open it, the app automatically connects you to the fastest available server. You can also choose a specific server location if you prefer. Once you're connected, you can start browsing the internet anonymously and securely. Now, what are the key features of Jumpjump VPN? 1. It is free to use completely. 2. You have unlimited bandwidth. You can use as much data as you want without any restrictions. 3. Fast speed. 4. Easy to use even for beginners. And 5. Large number of servers. It has servers in many different countries, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Please note, even though the Jumpjump VPN is a free and effective VPN service, it is very important to be aware of the potential risks associated with using a VPN. For example, some VPN services may collect your data or sell your information to third parties, so it is important to choose a reputable VPN service that you can trust. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.